Breaking news for today. When Bagmati Express was travelling from Mysore to Darbhanga, it actually had to stop in a station known as Kavarapettai in Tamil Nadu. During that time, on October 11 night, it had to go on with contact due to wrong information provided from the train station for it to collide on a stationary train, which was a cargo train which was filled with cargo. So close to 14 coaches actually got destroyed in that, and that collision actually, luckily, no one got to lose their life, but 18 people unfortunately got injured. This is a really bad situation, and the saddest part in this is that this could have been avoided. Usually there used to be two tracks which connects to form one. This happens in a lot of railway stations, and that is common. But when the news has been provided from the railway station, the signal which was provided from the railway station was miscommunicated, so both of the train had to come in contact on the same track, and 14 coaches and out of 1330 passengers, 18 of them got injured. This is an unfortunate situation which could have been avoided. So there's nothing to appreciate from the railway department, but touch wood, no one died. Thank you. Bye. See you later.